Well, hey there, John here, and I'm back in the Eastman Discovery Lab at the Hands-On Discovery Center with another science experiment that you guys can try at home. Because this one actually uses different inks to separate out the pigments to create this really awesome tie-dye spin art type effect. Basically, we are using chromatography, which is a special way of separating out substances using other kinds of materials. In this case, we're using good old-fashioned dihydrogen monoxide to split apart the colors inside of washable markers. Now, this green marker obviously looks green, but when we spread out the colors and allow it to start separating out, you will actually see it's built up of all different colors that make it a green marker. For this, you will of course need a green marker or any color marker you want, a coffee filter, and some water. You're going to make a nice, bright, vivid dot right in the center. It doesn't have to be super, super huge, because remember that ink is going to start spreading out. You want it nice and vibrant dark green. Then fold it in half, and fold it in half again, and fold it in half again, and again, and again, and again, and again, until you get this nice like sharp point here with our little green dot on the bottom. Then add just a few drops of water to a cup, perfect, and then let the ink just rest right inside there. Almost immediately, you will start seeing that green color being carried up the coffee filter paper. As the water dissolves the marker ink, it will spread out and upward and upward and upward, but the different ink colors will actually be carried to different lengths. Like you can see here, there's a lot more blue at the very top, whereas it's still kind of yellowish at the bottom. And here I've actually unfolded one, and here you can really see the blue spreads all the way out to the outside of the paper, and the yellow stays in the middle, which is kind of cool. But you don't only have to do markers. You can also do candy. The candy coating also has different color pigments in it. So if you take, like, say, a handful of green Skittles here and dissolve it in a little bit of water, all that green dye will then go into solution, and you can spread it out in the same chromatography form. Just take your coffee filter and fold it, and fold it, and fold it, and fold it, and then dip it right inside of that green ink there, and it will also spread out, showing different colors of pigments. Here, I did a purple one, and you can see all this blue on the outside and the red right there in the middle. I think that's a really cool effect there too. But there's one more that's really nifty. Black. Black is actually all the colors mixed together to make a black pigment. So if you take the Sharpie here and do the same process, put a drop or a circle of ink in the middle, what really, well, if you use water, it's not going to work so well because permanent marker doesn't dissolve in water. You're going to have to use, instead, a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. When all the colors of the black permanent marker start spreading out, look at that. We have reds and oranges and yellows all the way going out to blue here. And when I unfolded this one, it looks like this starburst of a rainbow. All the different colors start spreading out because they carry differently in the coffee filter paper. And once you have your chromatography spin wheels dried, you can do whatever with them. I think they look really cool if you like hang them up in the window. They look like a stained glass window. Definitely try this at home, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video upload. Also, check the description below where we're going to have some science standards that relate to candy chromatography like we've done today. Also, we'll have some information on how you can support us and keep the science alive. But right now, I'm going to go finish these Skittles. These look delightful. Bye, guys!